Message, please.
Bossing, happy birthday! Painom ka naman.
Ayan, sabay niyo
Magbabait
pa
ha. Okay. Bye-bye.
Ako, madaling Jay ka last. Dali, sa baba, sa baba. Go, go.
Sige. Diyan na sa welcome.
Game. Wait. Dai, have you got any birthday message for Ryan, please?
Ryan.
De La Torre.
Oh, you introduced
De La Torre.
him first.
What's that? That's gross. Come on. Oh, you're poppy.
Ryan De La Torre.
Yeah.
Oh, funky.
You mean Doki?
Yeah, Duki,
Yeah.
Duki.
Hiya. My boyfriend number 2.
Oh.
My boyfriend number 2. Happy birthday. And I have gift for you.
Really?
Michael. My boyfriend number 1.
Okay then. Hey.
You first.
Ryan, happy birthday.
Laki na rin. Layo.
Enjoy your day. Many more KD sessions to come.
Tag party. Game.
Hi Ryan. How are you, Ryan? Happy birthday, Ryan.
Yun lang yun.
Magkakait, Ryan. Mama, chup-chup. Why, I'm not yet finished.
Okay. Sorry.
You first.
She's finished already though.
The crab is already okay. English?
English, of course.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Is that it?
More girlfriends to come and more girlfriends. Okay, that's it. Ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Ryan! Manlibre ka naman. Papidsa naman. Dali na, nag-effort kami batiin ka. Sige na. Good luck. God bless.